Alright fellas, so what's good? Today I'm going to make a little video on data high to data low setups. I've had a lot of requests about this. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Today we had PPI news, right? So, when big news events come out, we usually have candles like this. A huge fucking dildo to the upside. What do we do? When it's a data high to a data low, it looks something like this. From a data low to a data high, it will look something like the opposite. I want to make a little example real quick. And the data low to a data high setup will look something like this. It's a really simple setup. All you wait for is the news event to come out. Today was PPI. I'm going to show you guys an example of that really soon. So basically, what you do, you wait for the news event to come out, wait for that dildo or that Drake candle, whatever you're waiting for, and then you just wait for price to consolidate a bit and sweep that high on either ES or NQ. A good SMT is also a good confluence. But yeah, let's just say this is our setup. We wait for that sweep, bang, bang, and then we just wait for low time frame structure to change or some sort of confirmation setup. For me, that's a 1 minute fair value gap, or essentially just entering off a rejection. It really just comes down to how you like to trade it. I do recommend you guys backtest this for yourself and see what you guys like the best. I basically use anything and everything. But in this example, I'm using a fair value gap. Everything you just wait for is that liquidity sweep and then just some sort of confirmation to the downside, and then you target the lows or the highs of the data wick. So today we had PPI, as you can see in this candle right here. All I did was wait for that news to come out, waited, it consolidated for like what? It consolidated for, where do I see that? Almost an hour before it took out that high again. When New York opened, it took out this high, and then I just waited for some sort of low time frame confirmation. For me, that was just entering off rejection, so I had some sort of entry like this with a 10-point stop loss, and I targeted the daily open. The daily low was right here, but I like the key levels as targets or some sort of reversal zone. You can just target whatever you think price will go to. But the most safe thing is always going for the data low and never going for like huge targets. And yeah, that's essentially it. It's really just a data high to a data low setup. How you execute is really just down to how you like to trade. For me, I have a lot of entry models like fair value gaps, low time frame structure, just entering off price action alone, strong candles, whatever you like to do, you go for it. And yeah, I don't really have any more examples. I just thought I'd make a quick video on how to do this because I've had a lot of questions about it. And yeah, that's about it.